Want to put on this a headband wig in less than 3 minutes? Say less. I'm here to help you straightforwardly, quickly, fastly. Okay, just know that after watching this video you will probably become a headband wig installation expert. Okay, because it's really easy, it's super simple, and yeah, there's nothing really to it. So stay tuned for the video and comment if you actually were able to put on your headband wig quick and fast. Okay, dun, da, da, da. So guys, I know that you saw the video before this of me putting on the 12-inch water wave headband wig. I was so in love, so I had to get myself another Marabelle Haircare wig, and this is going to be the 14-inch AfroKinky headband wig. Oh my god, I am so excited. So this is the packaging, still looking nice, very consistent with what I got the last time. So we have our headband wig, right? We have the little thank you note, and this time we also got a headband, the edge brush and comb, the edge control sample. I also got 10 out of 10 edge control all the days of my life. Trust me, Marabelle Haircare edge control is really good. I got some lashes and also the wig cap. So let's see what the headband wig is looking like. Oh my gosh. So 14-inch AfroKinky, 100% human hair. Imagine being able to get the look of wearing all your natural hair without actually wearing all your natural hair. Okay, like headband wigs are literally becoming my thing, because sometimes we just don't have the time. Okay, we just don't have the time to basically no cheer braiding our hair for how long, and you know, we just want something quick and fast, and already it's out of the bag and it's looking beautiful. Look at that texture shot. Ah! Look at this texture. Oh my gosh, flowing, not stiff, not smelling like chemical either. Oh, literally. I can't wait to put this on. Oh wait, minor malfunction. So yeah, we have the Velcro strap around the border of it. We have the same 3 combs in it, and also one at the back, and then we have the adjustment around the rim of the cap. So let me just fix this real quick, and then quick and fast. Oh my god, literally I can't get over how quickly I can install these headband wigs. I cannot get over it. So I've secured the 3 combs. I'm gonna just secure the last comb at the back right now, like feeling secure already. Okay, and I'm now going to fix the band, and here we are guys. Ooh, oh my god, it's like I literally just washed my hair and brushed it out and ready to go. Like, guys, I'm telling you, my hair has never grown so quickly and shed so little, apart from me like wearing these headband wigs consistently. Like, it has done so much for my hair growth. It's absolutely crazy. So number one, the headband wig put on in actually less than 3 minutes. Okay, it fully put on, like we're out of the house. And I'm just here again talking about the added benefits, which is that your hair just getting long and growing like wildfire underneath it, because there's no over manipulation when it comes to wearing a headband wig. My edges are secure, they're not being pulled, there's absolutely no tension. That is like something that I'm over the moon about, because when I used to wear braids and all of those other hairstyles, it used to truly pull on my edges like crazy. But no, guys, if you haven't gotten one of these headband wigs from Marabelle Haircare, like, do yourself a favor, do your hair a favor, do your life a favor, cause this is something you won't regret. It's literally so soft, it's giving tangle free. Oh, but not my battery dying mid video. Ratchet, like, oh my god, I was talking about the variety that they have in these headband wigs. So they have the 14-inch AfroKinky, which is what I have on right now, 18-inch AfroKinky, 12-inch water wave, and 18-inch water wave. So if you're like a long hair girly, then they have those lengths for you, as well as persons who don't like their hair too long. I think this is a really great length for me, because the time is getting really hot. Summer is coming, and I just love not too much hassle, you know, getting the look without the work. So yeah, I'm in love. I am gonna give you some more close-ups, because you can never have too much, like and the fact that this is 100% human hair and it can be bleached, like in about a week, I am definitely going to be putting some highlights in this wig, and I can't wait to share that with you, because I think it's going to look even better for all those persons who love color, right? Oh, let me show you the back. Yeah, let me give you some shots of the back. Do you see that bounce? Do you see that curl definition? Straight out the bag, straight out the bag. And their goodies, like the fact that their edge control is so good, I'm grateful, because it's not flaking on me like some other edge controls would, and my edges are literally still laid mid video. So that's actually pretty impressive. So if you want to check out their wigs, and if you'd like to purchase one for yourself, then I am going to post their information below in the description box, and you can check them out. I'm going to post the number, the website, the Instagram page, and you can let me know if you get one for yourself and what you think. Send me some pictures so I can know that, you know, you took the wise words from my mouth and got one for yourself, and that you didn't get trash. Okay, so like, comment, subscribe, please. I would really appreciate it. And you could always leave a comment about any questions that you might have, and I will try my best to answer it. So thank you guys so much. Always love, forever and